Hi, this is Paul with Budget Blinds of Federal Way. We're at a home here in Federal Way, and they had a sliding glass door that they wanted to do a track system shutter on. So this is made by Norman. It is a track system shutter. The reason why it's called that is it's on a track, so it actually moves back and forth. Biggest difference on this one is this is considered a bypass, and what that means is that you can slide the panels past each other and you can still have the louvers open. A lot of these systems will be closed bypass, and that means that the shutters have to be closed in order to come to this position, which means you're always blocking your light there. So the open bypass is a nice feature to have. The only downside is you do have to have a little larger build out. As you can see here, it does stick into your room, so you do need to have a little bit of space. But if you have the space for it, man, it's a really awesome look. Very upscale. And if you have shutters throughout the rest of your home, it's a great option. Let us know if we could help you out.